Hello everyone. Thank you for 80 subscribers and commenters. So many members asking in comment box to know my video. Spreading education is very important in developing of the nation. So you just want my audio and which I am teaching to you. No need of my video cuts everything. So thank you so much for 80 subscribers. Please for more videos subscribe my channel and click on the icon bell. You share my videos with your relatives, family members, etc. At that time only my video should spread from people to people. Okay, thank you so much. Today I take a topic from English grammar, which is sentences. Without sentences we cannot form a phrase or lesson or everything. Sentences are very important in our daily life, because with the help of that sentences only we are talking, we are making, we are doing everything here. Okay, so sentences are very important. Formation of sentences is also an important task in our daily life, whether we are speaking English or we are talking or we are learning everything. For formation of sentences is very important. So there are four types of sentences. This is a simple basic topic. Without that we cannot frame a phrase or lesson or anything. So formation of sentences is very important in our daily life. Okay, there are four types of sentences. First sentences is assertive sentences. Assertive sentences also called as declarative sentences. Second is interrogative. Very important sentences. Without sentences we may not frame any sentence, any passage, any lesson. Sentences are very important, because of with the formation of sentences only we are talking and we are writing everything in our daily lives. Third one is exclamatory sentences. Assertive or declarative, interrogative and exclamatory sentences. Fourth one is imperative. Very important sentences. I told you many times in this video, because without framing of sentences we cannot write everything, each and everything. Also it is not possible to write without formation of sentences. First of all, what is a sentence? Sentence means a group of words which use a full meaning called as sentence. A group of words which use a full meaning called sentence. In that, first we learned about assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? It is a statement. It is in the form of statement, or it is a fact. It is in the form of statement or it is a fact. It is a simple statement which we are speaking nowadays, which we are speaking in our daily lives. This simple statement is only called as assertive or declarative sentences. Example for this is, I am teaching English grammar. I am teaching English grammar. I am teaching grammar. It's a simple sentences, or it is a statement, or it is a fact which gives the declaration, of the statement, which gives the complete meaning of the statement. It is a just statement which is formed by the group of words and which gives the full meaning. I am teaching English grammar. Okay, teaching here verb which we are doing. Okay, assertive sentences very easy sentences. Very short method to keep in mind is, it is just a statement or it is a fact which gives full meaning. Okay, example, I am teaching English grammar, they are playing chess. Everything we can consider it as assertive sentences. Sentence or assertive sentences both are same, which is formed by group of words and which gives complete meaning or full meaning. And second one is interrogative. What is interrogative? It is in the form of question. Question type questions are considered as interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences or question type questions, which are in two types. One is yes or no questions. Second one is WH form questions. Yes or no WH questions. If you go with yes or no questions, the answer for that sentence is either yes or no. Either yes or no. Have you completed your homework? If you completed, then answer is yes. Have you completed your work? If you don't complete, the answer is no. The two answers for yes or no question is either yes or no. Okay, WH. If you frame a question, the answer is also in only one word, which is use your answer clearly. What is your name? Who is your sister? What is meant by grammar? So in this way WH frame questions, what is your name? So answer is only in one word. Okay. Interrogative sentences divided into two types, either yes or no questions or WH questions. Okay, keep in mind girls, assertive sentences means which forms a statement or which gives complete meaning. Interrogative sentences are in two types, either yes or no or WH questions. Yes or no questions have answers either yes or no, and WH questions gives answer only in one word. Okay, what is your name? There are many questions and there are 9 WH words we are using in our daily lives. What, which, why, when, where, who, whom, whose, how. How is also considered as a WH word. These 9 words we are using in our daily life, which is used to frame WH word questions. Okay? WH word questions. I explained you two topic. What is that? Assertive sentences. Assertive sentences also called as declarative sentences. It gives the declaration of the statement. It means it is a statement or it is a fact which gives full meaning and which is formed by the group of words. And second one is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences divides into two types, either yes or no or WH questions. Yes or no questions answer have either yes or no. WH questions is formed by this group of words and these have particular answer related to the question. We learned two sentences, assertive sentences and interrogative sentences. And third sentence is very easy and which is used in our daily life is imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? Which is in the form of command, request, order, suggestion, warning, etc. These are all feelings of us. Imperative means that it is in the form of command, request, order, suggestion, even order, warning, everything. These are the forms of imperative sentences. If you command, if you order, if you request, if you suggest, if you warn, these all comes under imperative sentences. Grow more trees. It is what? It is we are giving suggestion to grow trees. So that's in the form of suggestion. So it is an imperative sentences. Draw the money. It is an order. Please check your homework. This is request. So in this way we can frame different types of questions with the help of these imperative sentences. Imperative sentences starts with subject. Okay, it starts with subject and it ends with full stop. It have main verb. Main verb means that which gives the sentence of the clearation. Okay, here command grow more trees. Here what? Grow is a suggestion. It starts with main verb. It starts with main verb and it ends with full stop. Grow more trees. So it is in the form of suggestion. Okay, we learn three sentences. Again I am saying assertive, interrogative and imperative. Assertive sentences start with subject and ends with full stop. And also interrogative sentences start with subject and ends with question mark. And imperative sentences starts with main verb which gives the expression of the statement and that ends with full stop. We learned three sentences which are very easy and important, which we are using in our daily lives. And last sentence is exclamatory sentences. Fourth one. What is exclamatory sentence? Sudden feelings or reactions or emotions of us. Sudden feelings, reactions or emotions, everything, whatever it may be, that was considered under exclamatory sentences. It indicates sudden feelings or emotions like happy, sad, joy, sorrow, everything, fear, everything. That all comes under exclamatory sentences. Best example is, oh my God. Oh, what a beautiful place. Oh my God. Oh my God. What a beautiful place. Wow, I didn't see it never like before. These all comes under exclamatory sentences. It ends with exclamatory mark. Okay, it ends with exclamatory mark. Very easy sentences, important sentences. Without the formation of the sentences, we cannot write a phrase, we cannot form a sentence, we cannot even, it is not possible to frame even a passage also without these sentences. Again, I am saying briefly all topic. First one is assertive sentences. Assertive sentences means it is a statement which gives the declaration of the statement, which is formed by group of words which gives you full meaning. It starts with subject and ends with full stop. Subject starts with subject and ends with full stop. I am teaching English grammar present you now. Okay, and also second one is interrogative, which is in form of question types. Question types are two, yes or no and WH. Yes or no questions have either answer either yes or no and WH. WH gives you a single answer which is related to that question. And third one is imperative. Imperative, which is in the form of command, request, order, suggestion, warning. Everything is come under imperative. Grow more, please. Please stop that work. Draw that money. Everything is comes under command, request, order, so on comes under imperative sentences. And last, exclamatory sentences, which indicates our feelings, our emotions, like happy, sad, whatever it may be, comes under exclamatory sentences. Emotions, feelings, everything. Okay, assertive sentences starts with subject and ends with full stop. It starts with subject and ends with question mark. Imperative sentence starts with main verb and ends with full stop. Exclamatory sentence starts with subject and ends with exclamatory mark. These are the four sentences which we are using in our daily life. Without the formation of sentences, we cannot write a passage, we cannot frame a lesson. So sentences are very, very important. This is a basic grammar which we want to build the English has a base. This is the base to build our English grammar. Okay, hope you guys understand. For more videos, please subscribe my channel and click on the icon bell. Okay, for more videos of me, don't forget to subscribe my channel. To please share my videos with your friends, relatives, family members, etc, etc. I want support from you. At that time only I also make so many videos. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you, viewers. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, please post in comment box. Thank you so much.